This is the first Burda Easy video of 2026. Today we will be making this dress, which is intended to be simple to sew and comfortable to wear. Its generous cut, rounded neckline and gathering make this a comfortable dress that's simple to put on. It doesn't have any zippers or buttons and is easy to sew even if you are a beginner. The magazine cover shows this pattern in stripes. Here, I have chosen to sew it in an organic cotton from the Sewn brand. This is a fine quality fabric that lightly holds its shape while remaining easy to work with, so it's ideal for showcasing the gathers and skirt volume. To sew this, I am using Mettler polyester threads, known for their strength and consistency for a reliable and durable seam. I will need my usual sewing supplies, the pattern, lightweight interfacing, and the fabric. I lay the pattern pieces onto the fabric folded in half according to the cutting layout, and then I add a 1.5 cm seam allowance before cutting. Next, I will transfer the pattern markings. I first put down a cutting mat, then tracing paper, and finally my piece of fabric with the wrong side facing down, and I go over the sewing lines and markings using a tracing wheel. I fold the interfacing in half and position the facing pieces. Add allowances, and cut. Then I apply the interfacing with a dry iron to the neckline facings and the armhole facings. I begin the stitching process with the darts. I fold the front section so that the dart lines align. Then I pin and sew from the side seam to the tip. I knot the threads at the tip and press the darts down. I layer the back and front pieces right sides together and pin the shoulders together. I sew, neaten the seam allowances, and press the seams open. I then place the facing right sides together over the back facing. Pin, stitch the shoulder seams, and press them open. Then I neaten the outer edge of the facing. Now I place the back armhole facing right sides together onto the front armhole facing. I sew them together. And I neaten the edges. I pin the facing right sides together on the neckline edge, making sure the shoulder seams meet. I sew the neckline, trim the allowances, clip the curves, and on the right side I stitch close to the seam on the seam allowances. I fold the facing inward and press the edge flat. Now I pin the dress sides. And sew, stopping the seam at the horizontal markings for the pocket openings. I neaten the allowances and press open. Now I move on to the pockets. First I neaten the side edges, and on the curved part I only neaten the top and bottom for about 8 centimeters. I pin the pocket pouches right sides together onto the seam allowances of the pocket opening, aligning the horizontal marks. Then I stitch right next to the marked seam line. And I do the same with the other pocket pouches. Now I pin and stitch the pockets together, right sides facing each other. And finish neatening the pocket curve. I pin the facings right sides together on the armhole edges, ensuring the shoulder seams and side seams match up. so. Then, just like for the neckline facing, I trim the allowances. Clip and understitch the facing. I fold the facing inward and press the edge. To keep the facings inside the garment, I hand sew their lower edges to the seam allowance. At the neckline, the facings overlap. I secure them with a few hand stitches. Finally, I proceed to the lower section of the dress. I stack the skirt panels and sew the side edges. I neaten the allowances, press them open, then I neaten the skirt hem. I press it folded in 1.5 centimeters. And stitch the hem. Now I set my machine to a wide stitch, and I will sew 2 parallel lines next to the raw edges, stopping at the side seams. These are the gathering lines. I will gently pull on the bobbin threads, which will cause the fabric to gather. I gather until the width fits the dress bottom. I knot the threads and evenly distribute the gathers. Then I pin the ruffle to the dress right sides together, making sure the side seams meet. I sew between the gathering lines. Remove the visible gathering threads and neaten. And finally, I press the allowances upwards. And now our Burda easy dress is finished. This design is easy to make, yet it allows you to work on lovely details such as the gathers, the pockets and the facings. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you soon for a new sewing project. Burda thanks and recommends its partners Sewn and Mettler.